I'm often asked by health providers, what must their office understand about no fault? I think it's an extremely important question, and from a business perspective, a provider has to understand who will be responsible for the payment of their bill. In most instances, when you're in a vehicle, that vehicle's insurance company will be responsible for the bill. If you're a pedestrian struck by a vehicle, likewise the vehicle that strikes you will be responsible. There are, however, instances where that does not apply. For example, if you're on a bus, the bus becomes secondarily responsible if your household automobile insurance policy is not applicable. Meaning if you or a family member that you reside with doesn't own a vehicle, then the bus would pay. What happens if the vehicle that should be responsible doesn't have appropriate insurance coverage? Or they leave the scene of an accident where they can't be identified. Who's going to pay the provider? It's important to have a clear understanding of those situations. And that's why it's fundamentally important that the front office staff in your practice understand who is responsible to pay the bill. There's always a what if in no fault. But again, it's always important to understand that someone will be ultimately responsible for the payment of your bill. The problem is, if your office is not aware of the various scenarios, there are time frames involved, and if you don't file within the appropriate time frame, you'll be forever barred.